Good morning, students. As in our last lecture, we have discussed about the chemical equations and the types of chemical equations. Now we are going to discuss the second type, and the second type is unbalanced chemical equation. Unbalanced chemical equation. Now the definition is if the number of atoms of each element in reactants is not equal to the number of atoms of each element present in product, then the chemical equation is called unbalanced chemical equation or skeletal chemical equation. The other name of unbalanced chemical equation is skeletal chemical equation. Now, in this example, here magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Here magnesium and oxygen are what? The reactants, and magnesium oxide is the product. So the number of atoms of the reactants, mean to say the elements which are present in the reactants, is not equal to the number of atoms of the elements which are present in the product, that is magnesium oxide. That will be more clear to you when you see this table. In this table, you can see that the elements which are present in this equation I have written, the elements are magnesium and oxygen. Here I have written magnesium and oxygen. Now we have to count the number of atoms in the reactants as well as the number of atoms in the products, mean to say left hand side also and right hand side also. In both the sides we have to count the number of atoms. As you know, magnesium contains only one atom, so I have written here 1. In case of oxygen, it contains 2 atoms, so I have written here 2. On the product side, that is on the right hand side, magnesium and oxygen both contain only 1 atom, so I have written here 1 and 1. From this table you see that magnesium contains 1 atom, but in case of oxygen, left hand side it contains 2 atoms and on right hand side it contains only 1 atom, so it is a unbalanced chemical equation. Now the question arises, why there is a need to balance a chemical equation? As you have discussed the balanced chemical equation also as well as the unbalanced chemical equation also. Now the question is, why we have to balance this unbalanced chemical equation? The answer of this question is according to the law of conservation of mass. What is the law of conservation of mass? You have already studied this. Mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Mean to say, in a chemical reaction, the mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. So, in order to maintain this, mean to say, in order to obey this law, the total mass of the elements which are present in reactant must be equal to total mass of elements which are present in the product. Hence, we have to balance the chemical equation. I think from here you have cleared this concept. Also regarding this, you can see here, therefore, what we can say? Therefore, the chemical equations are balanced to satisfy the law of conservation of mass in chemical reactions. Means that in order to satisfy law of conservation of mass, we have to balance these unbalanced chemical equations. Now, we will discuss how to balance these chemical equations, because this is very important concept, that how to balance a chemical equation.